Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to draw a beautiful umbrella with sweet cute heart shape. So let's start drawing. So here is our beautiful umbrella ready. So let's start coloring. Let's color together. Red color heart shape, red color flower, Now I will use pink color. The handle of the umbrella is pink color. The body color of the umbrella is yellow color. Nice yellow color. Beautiful yellow color. Wow, the umbrella looking so gorgeous. The color combination is very much rich and cute. Cute, sweet, colorful umbrella ready.